A Gardener's Guide to the Alluring Salvia Mystic Spires.
The Salvia Mystic Spires, with its vibrant blue blooms and long flowering season, has become a mainstay in my garden. This compact beauty is a favorite not just for its aesthetics, but also for its ease of care. Over the years, I've learned a lot about cultivating this delightful plant, and I'm here to share my experience with you.
See more 1050 species in genus Salvia at monsteraholic.com. What is Salvia Mystic Spires? Salvia Mystic Spires is a perennial herb belonging to the Lamiaceae or mint family.
It's a dwarf variety of the popular Salvia indigo spires, believed to have originated from an irradiated seedling. Boasting deep purple blooms that rise on sturdy spikes, this salvia is a magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies, adding a touch of life and color to your garden.
How to grow Salvia Mystic Spires. Growing Salvia Mystic Spires is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Sunlight. While they tolerate partial shade, mystic spires thrive in full sun. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal flowering. Soil. Well-drained soil is key.
Amend your planting area with compost or sand if needed to ensure proper drainage. Planting. Plant your Salvia Mystic Spires in spring after the danger of frost has passed.
Space them 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper growth.
Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season.
Once established, they are quite drought tolerant. Is Salvia Mystic Spires a perennial? Yes, the good news is that Salvia Mystic Spires is a perennial in warmer climates, zones 7 to 10. With proper care, it will return year after year, rewarding you with its stunning blooms. Is Salvia Mystic Spires hardy?
While it thrives in warm weather, Salvia Mystic Spires can be somewhat tender in colder climates. In zones below 7, you can try overwintering it indoors by bringing it into a sunny location before the first frost.
Can Salvia Mystic Spires blue be overwintered indoors?
Yes, with a little TLC, you can overwinter your Salvia Mystic Spires.
Here's how. Timing. Bring your plant indoors before the first frost.
Light. Place it in a sunny window with at least 6 hours of sunlight daily.
Watering. Reduce watering significantly, allowing the soil to dry out almost completely between waterings.
Pruning. You can lightly prune your salvia to maintain a manageable size.
How to prune Salvia Mystic Spires.
Pruning throughout the growing season encourages bushier growth and continuous flowering.
Simply snip off spent flower heads to promote new blooms. You can also give your salvia a more drastic haircut in late fall or early spring, cutting it back by about half. Is Mystic Spires blue salvia deer resistant?
Deer tend to avoid Salvia Mystic Spires due to its strong, aromatic foliage.
This makes it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Is Salvia Mystic Spires toxic to cats?
While not as toxic as some other salvia varieties, Salvia Mystic Spires can cause mild stomach upset if ingested by cats. It's best to err on the side of caution and keep your feline friends away from these plants.
Is Salvia Mystic Spires good as cut flowers? Absolutely.
The tall flower spikes of Salvia Mystic Spires make them excellent cut flowers. They add a pop of color and interesting texture to bouquets and floral arrangements.
What to plant with Salvia Mystic Spires?
Salvia Mystic Spires pairs beautifully with a variety of plants.
Here are a few ideas. Daisies. Their cheerful blooms complement the salvia's vibrant blue. Lavender. The combination of purple and silver creates a stunning contrast.
Ornamental grasses. The feathery texture of grasses adds a touch of softness.
Roses. The classic elegance of roses is enhanced by the salvia's vibrancy.
By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can cultivate a thriving Salvia Mystic Spires in your own garden. This rewarding plant will bring you joy for years to come, attracting pollinators and adding a touch of captivating charm to your outdoor space.